You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome on your Android phone. Open the Chrome app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, tap Settings, tap Site Settings, tap Pop-ups and Redirects, toggle the switch to the blocked position. This will prevent most pop-ups. You can also manage permissions for individual sites. While on a website, tap the lock icon or info icon in the address bar, tap Site Settings. Here you can adjust pop-up settings, camera, microphone, and more for that specific site. For additional protection, enable Chrome's built-in ad blocker. In Chrome settings, tap Privacy and Security, tap Safe Browsing, select Enhanced Protection for the best blocking of malicious pop-ups and ads. You can also install an ad blocking extension if you use Chrome on Android in desktop mode, but extensions are not supported in the mobile app. If pop-ups persist on a specific site, you can block notifications from that site. Go to Settings, Site Settings, Notifications, and remove the site from the allowed list. Regularly update Chrome for the latest security filters. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.